Hey guys, well, after the rain is finally done, of course it's supposed to start back up tomorrow here, I want to come out and check my little baby garden. I got Better Boy tomatoes, genuine beefsteak tomatoes. I even got a little bloom over here. And I got heirloom straight 8 cucumber. He doesn't look as healthy as the rest, but give him time. Of course, Eric wanted a bell pepper to go with his tomatoes. So we got a big Bertha bell pepper. Looking good. I got crookneck heirloom squash. Awesome. And zucchini squash. These are looking great. The rain came down, the sun is shining, they look beautiful. Of course, now it's time to mow. Hopefully, get some more mulch and get my little garden finished before the vegetables are ready. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with them. Bye-bye now.